The soul of China's major industrial equipment lies in the innovative strength driving the advancement of Chinese manufacturing. Jirfine Intelligent Equipment Company Limited was established in 2009, successfully listed on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange in 2024. With over 1,700 employees and R&D personnel, more than 200 patented technologies, and annual production capacity exceeding 10,000 units. It is a national-level specialized, refined, distinctive, and innovative little giant enterprise integrating R&D, production, sales, and technical services for CNC machine tools, committed to providing advanced CNC equipment and comprehensive solutions for clients across various industries and sectors. Jirfine Intelligent operates 3 modern R&D and manufacturing bases in Dongguan, Ningxia, and Nanjing, focusing on domestic markets while targeting international expansion. The company continuously enhances its core competitiveness, leveraging technology to develop a product portfolio that includes 5-axis machining centers, high-speed drilling and tapping centers, vertical machining centers, horizontal machining centers, Gantry machining centers, CNC lathes, and automated solutions. We create comprehensive value for our customers and contribute to the vigorous development of Chinese manufacturing. Driven by innovation, we have established the Jirfine Intelligent Research Institute to tackle key challenges in high-end machine tool core components. We address cutting-edge technologies to resolve bottleneck issues in the machine tool industry, achieving self-production and mass production of core components such as spindles, precision rotary tables, and power tool towers. Centering on customer needs, we continuously iterate and upgrade our products while providing customized services. Driven by intelligence, we have built an intelligent manufacturing platform and established fully automated machining processes, intelligent warehousing, and automated multiple-level warehouse. Through equipment, office, process, information automation, and a high-standard quality management system, we achieve intelligent production management to ensure high-quality, efficient, and agile delivery of products. Driven by technical services, we precisely target industry-specific segments. The company has formed expert teams specializing in 3C, new energy, aerospace, mold making, and lathe applications, dedicated to providing customers with efficient and precise end-to-end solutions. We have over 50 service centers and a localized professional service team of nearly 300 people, systematically managing the service process to respond to customer needs in the shortest possible time and ensure efficient operations for our customers. We have established a knowledge repository and implemented service day activity, leveraging online and offline integration to provide remote technical support and on-site guidance, striving to offer customers efficient and convenient after-sales service. We actively practice carbon-neutral development concepts and accelerate the construction of an ESG system. Through photovoltaic functions, equipment energy conservation, and technological upgrades, we reduce carbon emissions and expand diversified green manufacturing upgrades. We focus on equipment safety performance and adhere to industry safety standards to provide customers with reliable safety guarantees for production. Through university-industry collaboration, we cultivate industry technical talent, achieve integration of industry, academia, and research, and promote corporate development and industry progress. Jirfine implements 3 major strategies: product leadership, management leadership, and scale leadership, driving continuous development through product innovation. With a broader vision and unwavering determination, we will provide customers with superior products and services, support China's intelligent manufacturing initiatives, and contribute to the global development of industrial manufacturing. Jirfine Intelligent, making manufacturing more stable, precise, efficient, and intelligent.